Alright, welcome all of you again to the Trade Focus YouTube channel, guys. And today also let's have a look at the gold market and gold chart over here and find out what will happen to the gold market for the next couple of hours, within 24 hours. So if you have been stick with our channel for the past few weeks, you must be know already that we're talking about in this channel mostly day trading analysis, like day trading setups, the main reversing areas within 24 hours, right? But before we continue the main reversing areas like day trading analysis setups, let's have a look at the chart and find out where will the market headed as a main trend, like average main trend over here, right? So when looking at the large scale, this trend over here, we have already talked about this trend. We mentioned that there will be market consolidations around this area from the past few weeks. If you can watch that videos from 18th April, right? I'll put the link in the description. I have been mentioned that there will be more market consolidations around this area. So exactly as we predicted, now you can see market has been consolidating until today. So however, as a main trend, this indicates for me that buyers are preparing, right? Buyers are preparing, is still sellers in control, right? Buyers are just preparing, but sellers in control right now, right? So as a main trend, market is trying to go up, right? But currently, right now, buyers and sellers are both struggling, like fighting each other, right? So within this market is struggling, or we can call it consolidation. So within this consolidation, we might be able to see another market, two up wave and down waves. The one up wave and then another down wave. So the next wave for me, so looks like market is heading to upside, but very slowly, very weakly. Just like this market up move, like currently just that could happen, could be just like this, right? Could be just like this. And that market uptrend could be reached up to around this zone, right? This is my area as a reverse zone. So once market reaches these areas, there will be another market reversing point around here. Mostly I'm expecting mainly this market will reach at least around here, right? So once market reaches these areas, yeah, there will be another market down reverse point. Currently, this uptrend is being happening, right? Still market is happening, just like recovering this previous market crash, right? So that up move we could be able to see as a weak, very slow up move that will happen. That will take around couple of hours, right? But however, I'm expecting market up move up to these areas. And then if market goes down, then we might be able to see another up wave, right? Just around here. This is my up reverse point from this area. So these are the main up and down reversing points for me for the within a couple of hours, like within 24 hours, could be more than like 36 hours, so like just like that. However, just keep in remember that the main trend for me uptrend, because buyers are preparing. So buyers are preparing. If you are making short trades, I mean sell trades as a long-term analysis, that will be a risky trade because buyers are preparing. So within that preparing period, yeah, we can able to see, we could be able to see a market up move and down move, but very short-term period of time, like within 24 hours. So we can make some day trading short trades, but as a main trend, it's very risky to take some sell trades as a day trade, like swing trading, right? If you are taking swing trades, just prepare for long trades. Like we might be able to see another couple of market up and down moves within this area, and then market will start the uptrend. So within that consolidation period, yeah, we can make some up and down reversing points, and I mean long trades, short trades too. So that's what I can see currently. Just wait until market reaches this area to make short trades. If you are making buy trades or long trades, just wait until market reaches to this area. So that's what I can see within the next 24 hours. And let's see what's going to happen, and I'll update with another video, and see you again tomorrow, guys. Stay tuned.